On the bare kitchen floor, Mirha and Muhammad Hussein share a meager meal from a single plate. Their hunger, a palpable presence. Hussein eats quickly, driven by gnawing hunger, each bite a silent testament to their struggle. Mirha watches him, her eyes reflecting a deep well of sisterly affection as she observes his desperate need. In a selfless gesture, Mirha picks up the last piece of roti, her decision made with quiet resolve. She places it gently on Hussein's plate, a silent offering of love that transcends their empty stomachs. Hussein looks up, his eyes wide with surprise and gratitude as he questions, Aapi, aap nahi khaogi? In the quiet dimness, Mirha and Hussein lie together on the simple bed, shadows dancing around them. Hussein whispers softly, his voice thick with sleep. Aapi! Aapi! Mary Sab se achi dost ho. Mirha gently responds, her voice filled with affection. Arta Mirsab se pierre by ho. Hussein smiles, his eyes fluttering closed once more as he snuggles closer to Mirha, seeking comfort. Mirha gently strokes Hussein's arm, her touch a silent promise of protection and love. In the dimly lit room, their bond is a beacon of warmth, a sanctuary from the world outside. On the dusty road, Hussein stands with a broken shoe, a stark symbol of hardship and resilience. In a quiet act of selflessness, Mirha offers Hussein her gleaming new shoes, a silent exchange of love and sacrifice. Mirha puts on her old, worn-out shoes, the cracked leather mirroring the sacrifices made in their humble life. Their mother watches from the doorway, her eyes glistening with tears, a silent witness to Mirha's profound compassion.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.